it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got at the Tattered Covers bookstore in Colorado. So, for Thanksgiving, I went up to Colorado and I went to the Tattered Covers bookstore. And this is my favorite bookstore of all time. It's just huge, and you go down these steps and it's just like this massive expanse of just books, and there's coffee, and I mean, I don't care about the coffee, but it's such a wonderful place and I love it so much. So we went, Kath and I, to the Tattered Cover bookstore, and I obviously bought some books. So yeah, let's just go through this bag and see what I got. Start with the hardcover book. All the books I got from the Tattered Cover store were used, because Tattered Cover is a lot like Barnes & Noble in that the books are pretty expensive, because like on Amazon books are pretty cheap, but you know, when you go to an actual bookstore, the books are more expensive because you're paying to have it like immediately. But anyway, so I got The Reign of Reptiles because I don't talk about it very much, or maybe I do, I don't know, but I absolutely love reptiles. Fascinating and accessible account of the reptile age. This is by Michael Benton. Stories of the most fascinating creatures to ever inhabit the earth. Got this for $8, and as you can see, it just has a bunch of pictures of reptiles and information, and it looked really cool, so I bought it. Then we have the book that Kath got. She got Life in Motion, An Unlikely Ballerina by Misty Copeland. So if you've looked around this channel a little bit, you'll see that Kathleen is actually a ballet dancer. She started a couple months ago and she's already on point. I don't know much about Misty Copeland, but obviously this book is pretty good. Kath got it like 3 days ago and she's almost done. And yeah, this is actually by Misty Copeland. So the last book I got was the Character Costume Figure Drawing Design by Tan Huai Sang. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Again, this is another used book. And I got this because I'm really interested in theater. I love theater so much. And it focuses a lot on the figure and design. But what I think is funny is that in the foreword of this book, it says, Character Costume Figure Drawing is not a book about costume design. And then if you go to the Library of Congress catalog number, the second option, or the second listing, is costume design. I just think that's funny. I don't know. Yeah, I got this just so I've always wanted to get into figure drawing. So I just picked this book out because it looked cool, and I love theater. I want to learn how to figure draw. So it seemed like the perfect book. So that's all I have for my Tattered Cover bookstore book haul. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. If you're interested in checking out Kathleen's dance kind of history on this channel, I will link the playlist in the description down below. Share this video if you enjoyed it and think someone else will enjoy it. And yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye!